From darkness emerges Rolls-Royce, crowned by the spirit of ecstasy, a symbol born from a vision where engineering excellence and timeless elegance would define a new standard of automotive luxury. Within these early factory walls, Rolls-Royce began its journey, combining mechanical innovation with handcrafted precision, laying the foundations of a legacy that would endure for generations. The earliest Rolls-Royce prototypes were built with exposed mechanics and noble materials, expressing a philosophy where reliability, dignity, and refinement mattered more than spectacle. Rolls-Royce designers first shaped ideas by hand, sketching proportions and balance with fountain pens, where imagination and discipline met to create enduring automotive forms. Clay models marked the first physical expressions of Rolls-Royce design, sculpted slowly by artisans whose hands translated sketches into flowing, confident surfaces. Even in its earliest days, Rolls-Royce tested form against airflow, allowing invisible wind to guide elegance, stability, and the pursuit of effortless motion. The future vision emerges as Rolls-Royce blends heritage with innovation, projecting how timeless luxury evolves without ever losing its identity. With careful deliberation, Rolls-Royce approves the concept, transforming history, craftsmanship, and vision into a commitment to build something extraordinary. Rolls-Royce exterior sketches refine proportion and presence, ensuring every line communicates authority, restraint, and unmistakable confidence. Interior sketches imagine the Rolls-Royce cabin as a sanctuary designed to isolate occupants from the world while surrounding them with handcrafted comfort. Aerodynamic studies reveal how Rolls-Royce shapes airflow gracefully, preserving silence and composure. Clay shaping continues as Rolls-Royce artisans refine curves by touch, ensuring reflections flow uninterrupted across every surface. The iconic Rolls-Royce grille is perfected, balancing bold identity with refined elegance, anchored by the spirit of ecstasy. Rolls-Royce headlight concepts combine advanced optics with jewel-like detailing, transforming illumination into a design signal. Wheel designs evolve as Rolls-Royce balances strength, motion, and visual harmony, ensuring elegance even in rotation. The Rolls-Royce dashboard concept merges tradition and innovation, where craftsmanship frames modern intelligence. Color selection at Rolls-Royce is emotional and deliberate, choosing shades that respond beautifully to light and time. Material testing ensures every leather hide and wood veneer inside Rolls-Royce meets exacting standards of texture, durability, and beauty. A holographic Rolls-Royce rotates in digital space, allowing designers to perfect every detail before production begins. With the design locked, Rolls-Royce transitions from artistic vision to precise engineering execution. Rolls-Royce steel is laser-cut with absolute precision, forming the structural foundation of strength and longevity. Aluminum panels are shaped carefully, giving Rolls-Royce its balance of rigidity and lightness. Carbon fiber layers are laid by hand, reinforcing Rolls-Royce components without compromising refinement. Material scans verify Rolls-Royce quality beyond visible inspection, ensuring perfection at a molecular level. Powerful presses shape Rolls-Royce panels, where industrial force meets millimeter-perfect accuracy. Frame alignment ensures Rolls-Royce structural harmony, essential for silence, stability, and ride comfort. Controlled welding bonds Rolls-Royce components into a unified, resilient structure. Strength testing pushes Rolls-Royce components far beyond real-world demands. Protective coatings safeguard Rolls-Royce against time, corrosion, and environment. The prepared Rolls-Royce chassis stands ready, awaiting its transformation into luxury. The Rolls-Royce floor frame is assembled carefully, forming the backbone of the vehicle's refined ride. Side structures are welded into the Rolls-Royce chassis, reinforcing strength invisibly. The roof frame is lowered into place, completing the Rolls-Royce structural silhouette. Laser alignment confirms Rolls-Royce dimensions with uncompromising accuracy. Robotic welding enhances consistency while preserving Rolls-Royce craftsmanship standards. Every bolt in the Rolls-Royce chassis is tightened to exact torque specifications. Shock mounts are installed, preparing Rolls-Royce for its legendary smooth ride. Suspension components settle into place, engineered for effortlessness. Brake mounts integrate confident control into the Rolls-Royce platform.
The alignment here seems slightly off.
Digital scans verify the Rolls-Royce structure in its entirety. Hidden reinforcements protect Rolls-Royce occupants without compromising elegance. The finished Rolls-Royce chassis rests complete, silent, and precise. The Rolls-Royce engine begins as molten metal, cast with controlled precision. Cylinder machining defines the Rolls-Royce engine's smoothness and silence. The crankshaft establishes rotational balance at the heart of Rolls-Royce power. Pistons are fitted precisely, engineered for seamless motion. Valve timing is calibrated to deliver effortless Rolls-Royce acceleration. Oil systems ensure Rolls-Royce longevity and reliability. Cooling systems maintain composure under all driving conditions. Each Rolls-Royce engine is tested extensively, listening for perfection. Engine tuning favors serenity over aggression. The Rolls-Royce engine is sealed, pristine, and complete. Engine labeling certifies Rolls-Royce craftsmanship and accountability. The finished Rolls-Royce engine awaits installation. Body panels shape the Rolls-Royce presence with authority and grace. Doors are assembled to close with signature Rolls-Royce precision. The hood aligns perfectly, reinforcing visual harmony. Roof seams are welded invisibly into the Rolls-Royce body. Panel gaps are inspected until symmetry is absolute. Laser scans confirm Rolls-Royce surface accuracy. Hand polishing reveals flowing reflections.
There is a slight imperfection just here.
Inspection lighting exposes even microscopic imperfections. The Rolls-Royce body is washed clean.
Ready as it will ever be. Ensure the booth is prepared.
The body stands ready for paint. Primer prepares the Rolls-Royce surface for brilliance. Heat cures the foundation beneath the finish. Base color is applied with robotic precision. Clear coats add depth and protection. Robotic arms ensure flawless Rolls-Royce consistency. Color inspection confirms uniform perfection. Gloss depth reveals mirror-like finish. Scratch inspection tolerates nothing less than flawless. Paint curing perfects durability. The Rolls-Royce finish shines complete. Sound insulation engineers silence inside Rolls-Royce.
During its first journeys upon the road, layers of sound insulation.
Wiring is rounded invisibly beneath luxury.
Rolls-Royce motoring, the electrical conductors were carefully routed by hand.
The dashboard anchors craftsmanship and technology.
The dashboard was carefully fitted by hand, Fashioned and
The steering wheel centers control and comfort.
Carefully installed by hand, set in place with measured precision.
Seats are mounted for perfect
In the earliest
posture.
journeys of Rolls-Royce motoring, the seats were mounted by hand, carefully set and secured.
Leather is stitched by hand with devotion.
In the earliest journeys of Rolls-Royce motoring, the leatherwork was stitched entirely by hand. Each
Screens awaken softly within Rolls-Royce calm. Ambient lighting shapes emotion. Door panels align flawlessly. The Rolls-Royce cabin becomes a sanctuary. Sensors discreetly enhance Rolls-Royce awareness. Cameras are calibrated with precision. Software intelligence is installed securely. Touchscreens respond effortlessly. AI systems ensure seamless operation.
Motorcars' instruments and mechanical arrangements undertaken to ensure every
Updates allow Rolls-Royce to evolve. Safety systems stand vigilant. Electronics are fully ready. Brakes are tested repeatedly for composed control. Water tests confirm Rolls-Royce resilience. On the road, Rolls-Royce glides silently. Final inspections certify perfection. Rolls-Royce journeys towards the showroom. Under soft light, Rolls-Royce stands revealed, timeless, complete, and ready to define luxury once more.